Yo, welcome back to another Rumble tutorial. Let's look into what Rumble pays for 1000 views and why your earnings very, very low or you're not getting earnings. The first thing is you need to understand that there is this Rumble Creator Program also, how people get money, also people get paid on Rumble Creator Program. Once you gain 100 followers, you will be eligible to enroll in the Rumble Creator Program. But this is not what we're going to talk about right now. This is going to be a video for another day. So, how do Rumble actually really pay people? We've spoken about how they pay regarding the unique views and raw views. I made that video. You can go check it up. But now let's look at some other factors or things that we need to look into. This is just going to be from what I wrote down for some quick explanation. Most times you don't get paid for views because some of your viewers are using ad blockers. This is also a challenge that most people face when it comes to YouTube and some other videos. So on their browser, they have the option to install ad blockers. When your videos are being played, ads will not show, and they can't pay you for a video that the ads weren't viewed. That is where most of this platform get money to pay for your content. Now, slow internet speed is another challenge for some countries that don't have good or fast speed internet. During this time of your videos being watched and ads supposed to roll in, because the internet is struggling to play smoothly, these ads can just be skipped and you don't get ad on those videos and you don't get paid for that particular views. Also, views from not English speaking countries. Most countries in the world don't speak English. Not English, everybody in the world don't speak English, and most ads are actually run on videos that are watched on English speaking countries because most of these ads or high number of ads are coming from English. So if they're watching your videos in a country that doesn't speak English, most advertisers are not willing to pay for views that are from a country or from countries that doesn't speak English. You feel like those ads are just of waste. Why would I pay for something that they don't understand they're watching? Which makes sense. This also, like I explained earlier on, high raw views versus unique views. I explained that before we started, and there are videos that I made reference to this. Then ad fill views versus total views. Any are based from ad fill views and the ECPM and not the total views, which I try to explain for. I'm just going to make it quickly. So raw views are just the number of views that you get from a video. One person can give you 2000 raw views. Sometimes they have to do all of this because they want people to understand that we know that you guys sometimes some people can be fraudulent in their views and give themselves 1000 views just because they just want to earn some few cents on their video, or they ask their relatives of people around them to watch a video over and over again, refresh their browser and stuff like that. So they understand that this is what people are doing, so they don't want to pay or waste money on paying people for views that are generated by themselves. So that's how that actually work. So they feel like those views are not genuine and they shouldn't be paying for it anyway. Now, how do you make more money on Rumble? What's the best way to make money on Rumble? So the best way to make money on Rumble, just like every other platform is trying to push, is live streaming. So users have made reference saying that they get more money once they go live on Rumble compared to they just upload videos directly to Rumble. So I hope this did help you. If it did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.